hot as hell out here today, but we're gonna go check out this waterfall. We're at the Tedori Gorge. Everyone's tired. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Mr. New York.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, all right.
Very good. New York-san.
Oh, Hawaii.
Hawaii. So. Okay, honey, 見に行く。ちょっと待って。ここにそのまま待ちます。はい。じゃあ、バイバイ。Okay, here we go. Wow. How cool is that? Oh my God, this thing is huge. Ganbatte, ganbatte. It's been super hot and super sunny, but it is now raining. The rain clouds have just come out and suddenly it is raining. It's actually starting to really come down. All right, here we go. Oh, it's nice. No swimming allowed. So this is the Tedori River. It's totally raining on me. And everyone else is leaving. But that's okay. Cool. Awesome. Man, I'd actually love to go swimming down here, but probably a bit dangerous.